Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Make module errors in 2026. If one of your modules fails during an automation or displays an error message, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, open the scenario that contains the module showing the error. Next, open the execution history and select the failed run. Click on the module with the error icon to view the detailed error message and execution log. This usually explains what caused the problem. Now review the module settings carefully. Check that all required fields are completed and that the mapped data from previous modules is correct and in the expected format. Next, verify that any connected apps, such as Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, or other services, are still authorized. If a connection has expired, reconnect the account and save your changes. If the module works with files, folders, spreadsheets, or records, make sure those resources still exist and that your account has permission to access them. After making the necessary corrections, click Run once to test the scenario again. Watch the module execute and confirm that the error no longer appears. Finally, save the updated scenario and turn it on. Continue checking the execution history to ensure future runs complete successfully without any module errors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Make module errors step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.